New to content creation and you're struggling with finding the right tools to help you create an engaging content for your viewers, well, search no further. I've got you. Content creation doesn't have to be overwhelming. If you've got the right tools, you can go from an idea to a viral video in no distance time. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you 5 powerful software that I use every single time to create engaging content that has actually gotten me views and saved me time and make content creation much fun. So stick around till the end because I will share with you one tool that changed my workflow forever. So if you're much serious about growing as a creator, hit the like button, share with your friends, every single person that you think that will benefit from this video, and subscribe also. Is for free, so you never miss any of the tips I share on this channel. Let's get into it. First tool on my list is CapCut. I'm sure it's not the first time you've heard of it. A lot of people use this editing tools. Let me tell you why it's a game changer for me. CapCut makes editing, for long and short form video ridiculously so easy. I can cut, I can add transition, I can add caption, even sound effects. So you can use it on your phone, you can use it on your desktop. So the best part is it's actually free. So if you've been waiting to start creating, download CapCut today and just play around with it. That was what I started to do, and you'll be very shocked how easy and how quickly you can learn to create, professional looking videos. So give it a try. My second software tool is Canva. Canva is my secret weapon for graphics and for creating thumbnails and also even for presentation. So thumbnail can obviously make and break your video, as you're already aware. So Canva makes it so easy for you to drag and drop design, and also I literally make my own YouTube thumbnail under 10 minutes because I already got a format. So if you want your video to stand out on YouTube or TikTok, and start with Canva, and it's the easiest design for non-designer like us. So the third powerful software tool that I use for content creation is OBS Studio. So if you're a live streamer, obviously both in YouTube, TikTok, whichever platform that you live stream, this here is a good one. So this one is for live streamers as screen recording. So whether I'm hosting a TikTok live, or maybe recording a tutorial, or even capturing my screen for walkthroughs, OBS does it all. So again, it's free and super, reliable. So if you're thinking about streaming or teaching online, OBS is non-negotiable. So give it a try and you'll thank me later. So the fourth one on my list is Google Doc. You might think Google Doc is just for typing, but for creators like me, is perfectly for scripting tool. I use it to script my video. I draft all my video ideas. I plan the outline, even share script with collaborators in real time. And the fact that I can access it from anywhere, from my phone, my laptop, my tablet, it keeps me consistent and organized. So if you're still scribbling ideas in your random notebook, switch to Google Doc. It will save you time and keep your content workflow smooth. Last but not the least software that I use that helped me to create an engaging content is called Descript. So imagine editing video like, a Word document. That's what Descript lets you do. You upload your video, it transcribes everything, and you literally delete text to cut your footage. It's wild, right? Plus, it does AI voiceover as well, screen recording and podcast editing too. So, if editing stresses you out, this script will make life more easier for you, 10 times much easier for you. So, trust me, this is a tool that changed everything for me. There you have it, 5 powerful software tools that I use every single time to create content as a content creator. So you've got the CapCut, you've got the Canva, you've got the OBS Studio, Google Doc, and as well as Descript. Each one of them play a different role, but together they make content creation simple, fast, and fun. So now I want to hear from you. Which one is your go-to? drop it in the comment section and let me know. If you found this video very helpful, please like, share, subscribe, and save this video so you can come back to it if you're struggling with one, or maybe somebody else who might actually need to watch this video to help them in their content creation journey. And I've got more tutorial coming up to help you create smarter and not harder. See you in my next one.